impacts at 9.0 feet. State Route 202 floods downstream. Moderate flooding along Route 202 and Route 17. Water into backyards. Minor flooding along Breakthrough Place, Brook Street, and Catherine Avenue. Additional details, at 4:30 a.m. Monday the stage was 7.7 feet. Thankful stage is 6.0 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 8.9 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 8.9 feet on November 12, 1995. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Warning in effect until